Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing out there? This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money with Uber and or Lyft. Guys, listen up. In this video today, I'm coming to tell you something that can be very beneficial. And I know you say, well, Desmond, you always tell me you have something that can be very beneficial to me making more money with Uber and Lyft. And yeah, all my videos are very beneficial to you making more money with Uber and Lyft, but this is directly involved with making additional income, guys. Listen, here's a true fact. Like I said, I do Uber and Lyft part-time, guys, but I make a pretty good amount of income doing Uber and Lyft on a part-time basis. And one of the things that helped me out to make pretty good money doing Uber and Lyft on a part-time basis is I actually have sparkle. I have charisma, I have charm. There's no bragging or boasting here, but I know how to deal with people, and I know how to work with people, I know how to talk with people. And you would be surprised how far that can go with getting you additional income when it comes to doing rideshare. And it's not a finesse thing. I'm not out here hustling anybody. I'm not finessing anybody. But during the time when I don't want to talk to people, like I said, if you watch one of my other videos I have where I tell you how to make chatty patty riders be quiet, you can look for that video on my channel, and you can find out how I do that. But that's not all the time with me. Most of the time, I am a very charismatic and conversational person, if you may. I'm willing to talk and things of that nature, and that actually leads to a very big benefit, and that's called tips. TIPS. The acronym it stands for to ensure prompt service. Guys, there's nothing wrong with actually having a conversation with somebody, asking them how they're doing, how their day's going, or what's going on with them. Are they traveling? Are they going on vacation? If you take them to the airport or whatever may have you. I've had women get in my car that they're going through problems with their significant other, and they want just the advice of a guy to give them advice on what they should do with their situation. And I give them good advice, and you know what happens? They give me a tip. Pick up elderly people, they're going to the airport. What is it for me to get out of my car and put their bags, their luggage in the trunk? For one, it allows me to ensure that they don't scratch up my rear bumper by putting, just swinging their luggage up there and throwing it in the trunk. Because, like I said, once again, these people do not care about your vehicle. They only care about getting to where they're going. So they don't care if they scratch your vehicle up. And if you don't catch it, you can't even charge them for damaging your vehicle. So what's wrong with me getting out and helping somebody put their bags in the car? Or when we get to the airport, or if they went to Walmart to get groceries and they're going home, me helping them put their groceries in the trunk and helping them get it out and take it to their apartment. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Does it always work? Do people always give you a tip? No, that's just life. But tip money adds up, guys. And I gotta be quite frank with you. On a weekly basis, I would say anywhere between, on the low end, 10%, on the high end, 25% of my weekly income from doing Uber or Lyft is tips. Acronym, to ensure prompt service. So it just makes sense to be courteous. You might get a rider, might get in your car, and they're only going like 3 miles on the road, and they know a little shorter way, and they want to go that way, and so it takes a half a mile off of your trip. But then they hit you with a $1 tip, $2 tip, $3 tip. Well, you lose that half a mile by going the shorter route to get them there on time. Yeah, all right. So 75 cent, half of 75 cent is, what is that? 37.50. 37 cents, 37.5 cents that you lose on that trip, but then you get $1, $2, $3, $5 tip because you were nice to them and everything else. Yeah, courtesy goes a long way, guys. There's nothing wrong with being courteous. There's nothing wrong with making a person smile a little bit or laugh a little bit. If they want, even if they want to, they want to have a political conversation. Yes, you should avoid getting into politics, but if they initiate the conversation, you never have to be the type of person that you make brash sayings, anything that can possibly cause somebody to feel offended, and that might cause you to get a lower review or something like that. But you can just have a conversation with people. It's doing Uber and Lyft is more than just picking people up, dropping them off, and collecting money, because you can possibly leave a lot of money on the table by not showing that you are a human being, that you can display common courtesy, guys. And that's one of the fundamental factors as to why I can do this on a part-time basis and make a pretty good income. And I am not even in a huge market for doing rideshare, but that's what I do. That's one of my secrets to the sauce right there, guys. And then you get tips that roll in. Even when I'm done driving for the day, I get tips that roll in. Case in point, yesterday evening, Valentine's Day, my wife and I, we were at the movies. We were watching the Photograph, and my phone went off, and I got a notification that I got a tip. I opened it up. It was like a $7 tip for somebody that I took for this Hispanic lady I took to the airport earlier that day, and we just had a really great conversation. And the fact that I can speak some Spanish, so when she was having barrier problems with speaking English, I was able to understand her when she was saying things in Spanish, also was a plus. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out there and learn Spanish, but it's just that I knew it, so it was a benefit, guys. So I like to say this, guys. Don't be so apprehensive, and don't be a prude where you can't engage somebody in conversation or just ask them how they're doing. If you pick up somebody and they went grocery shopping, what is it to put the car in park, get out, help them put the groceries in? Because remember, time is money. The less time that you have to spend with them getting the groceries and you helping them, that's more time you get to go out and make more money, guys. And then they look at it as, this person be real courteous. They come and help me put my groceries in the car. Then they took me where I'm going, and they helped me take my groceries out of the car. Hey, I'm going to throw them an extra $1. I'm going to throw them an extra $3. I'm going to throw them an extra $5. It all adds up, guys. So think about that, guys. Like I said, on the low end, 10%, high end, 25% of my income on a weekly basis is off of tips, just from being courteous, guys. So I hope this video kind of help you with your mindset and show you how you can actually make more money just depending on whatever rate per mile that you're getting, plus whatever rate you're getting per minute when you're out here doing Uber or Lyft. So guys, if this video was beneficial to you guys, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so that you get more of my content when I put content out. Better yet, after you hit the subscribe button, go ahead and click on that bell in the bottom right corner of this video, because once you do that, you get an inbox email every time I put out new content, guys, and that's going to be beneficial to you, so you can know what and what not to do, so you can maximize your profits when you're out here doing Uber and or Lyft, guys. Also, if you are currently an Uber or Lyft driver and you signed up direct up to corporate and you weren't able to get the bonus that you receive if you sign up through a driver for Uber or Lyft, look in the description below this video. You can go in there and you can sign up. Make sure that you use the current information that you're already using to drive with, to sign up and get the bonus. And you may get it retroactively kicked back to you guys. And of course, if you are a new person looking to drive Uber and Lyft, you can also go in the description below this video as well. Click on the sign up links, join and sign up for Uber and Lyft. And after you take so many trips, you will get a bonus for driving and making money anyway, guys. At any rate, guys, this is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, wanting to bring you that hot new content to help you have more success. I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now.